Kids TV. Hello friends, today we learn about letter C. Before that, let's view A, B, C. This is capital letter C. This is small letter C. C for cup, C-U-P, cup. C for cap, C-A-P, cap. C for cake, C-A-K-E, cake. C for comb, C-O-M-B, comb. C for candy, C-A-N-D-Y, candy. C for candle, C-A-N-D-L-E, candle. C for cat, C-A-T, cat. Bye bye. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel.